my goodness, is this Manila or is this Venice? Hi, they're Kevin and Ange. It's Christmas Eve today and we're heading to the Venice Grand Canal Mall.
The mall mimics the charm of Venice, with European-style buildings and the beautiful gondolas. Perfect for taking photos, especially at Christmas.
We can't wait to show you all the beautiful decorations, the gondolas, and everything else that this beautiful place has to offer. Let's go check this place out. It's beautiful. Venice Grand Canal. Absolutely beautiful. Christmas or not, I reckon it would be beautiful. But for Christmas, it's obviously just that little bit more. Oh, how lovely is this, eh? Wow.
Insane. So we've got a restaurant in the middle here. Starbucks was packed, so we found this place called Tom Tom's Coffee. I got a cookies and cream, and Anne's got a Boniface.
That's nice.
That's like an apple turnover Boniface. That's what they call them over there. Okay, let me try mine. Now we're going to drink up, and then we'll walk around and go find the gondoling things. Go gondoling.
You just went past the wall.
Yeah, but we're going to go gondoling.
This looks like fun. You can hire outfits and walk along the canal. How cool is that? You can even go and get your photo taken afterwards. That'd be a lot of fun.
Beautiful tree, isn't it?
It is, it's gorgeous. All the decorations are something else. I don't know. Have we ever seen anything like this before?
No, it's quite wonderful.
It feels like we're actually in Venice, eh?
It does. Wow, how cool. They've even got Venetian Justice here.
Okay, so that's it. We've had coffee, we've had a beautiful walk around here and we've eaten.
We have.
And it's starting to close up here because it is Christmas Eve and yeah, they're closing up.
Going home with their families.
And we're tired.
I'm very tired.
Such a big flight. So we're going to go back to the hotel.
I don't even remember when they started, truth be told. I'm trying to find the tree behind us. That's why I'm moving around. There it is. No, where is it? There. Okay, there's the tree. It's over there.
You can't say me.
Ange is here.
Kevin's drunk. He's had something to drink with his
nothing,
dinner.
I'm just so tired.
Yeah, so We are tired, so we've had enough. We're going, guys. So we hope you've enjoyed Venice Grand Canal. And tomorrow we've got more to show you. But for now, we're going to head back to the hotel and have a sleep.
Okay, guys.
Let's go.